Hi everyone, this is Kashif here and you are watching my channel Switch to ICT World. Today I am going to share with you 4 tips for copywriting. Are you struggling with copywriting? Do you find it challenging to create captivating content that engages your audience? You are not alone. Writing effective copy is an essential skill that takes time and practice to master. But don't worry, I am here to help. The purpose of a headline is to get someone to read your first line. That's why it's crucial to have a captivating lead that hooks your audience right from the start. Copywriting tips for beginners. So, if you are a beginner looking to improve your copywriting skills, we've got you covered. Here are some tips that will help you write more effectively. Tip number 1. Write a captivating headline. Your headline is the first thing people see, so it needs to be attention-grabbing and compelling. Try to evoke curiosity, create urgency, or offer a benefit that your audience can't resist. Tip number 2. Know your audience. The more you know about your target audience, the better you can tailor your copy to their needs and desires. Use language and tone that resonates with them and speaks to their pain points. Tip number 3. Keep it simple. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that your audience may not understand. Use simple language and straightforward sentences that are easy to read and digest. Tip number 4. Edit, edit, edit. Writing is a process, and the first draft is never perfect. Take the time to edit your work and make sure it's clear, concise, and error-free. I hope these 4 tips will help you create compelling content that engages your audience. One thing keeps in mind, copywriting is a skill that takes time to develop, so keep practicing, and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and approaches. For more copywriting tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!